Hey, yeah, so I'm here in my ex house and I'm here today to do like a house tour. It's crazy because I haven't lived here in like a year, but still I wanted to just make this video out of like memories and stuff. And because basically like everyone is moving out of this house today, so I can show you where I lived in my first year of moving in England, and I'll show you some memories as well, so it will be nice for me and for you to know me a little bit better. Okay, so obviously it's nighttime, but this is the living room, and it wasn't actually like that when I moved in. This whole thing was upstairs where Ivarista's room is now, and it's crazy to see it like this because I never met it like that. The first year that I lived here, the living room was upstairs, and this is just a filthy garage. But now it's like a cozy space, but it has no windows, so no one actually is here or does anything. This freaking television never actually worked, and we used to like watch movies on it like all the time in the beginning, but then it started going like green in like weird colors, so we just like stopped and never did it again. This was like from the previous tenants, and they left all of these things here, except for obviously the original furniture. This little thing, this little guy, was what got me into yoga and fitness and stuff. Obviously I didn't keep it up that much, but I had this on top of my chair for that whole year, and I actually really liked it to just like have this pole on there. My original plan was to like have it in the desk, so I would like sit on it, but actually it's really soft, so it wouldn't really make sense to do that. This is the bedroom downstairs, and this was Ivarista's room in the first year that I lived here, and obviously it was much cozier. Now it's like totally empty, but before they had like fairy lights on here and some candles, and it was like with a really nice aesthetic. The bedroom wasn't like this at all, and it was much cozier. And then you have a tiny space that you can't see anything because it's pitch black, like I said, and a person looking out the window. Creep. But there's like a tiny garden that we never actually got to enjoy because it was never cut. But it's fun, it's okay. This was Diogo's bedroom in this house this year, but yeah, last year it was Ivarista's. This is a corridor, by the way. Now you can see something. Then you have Harry Potter's room, which is under the stairs, and it has some filthy stuff. It has like a vacuum cleaner that doesn't do anything, and some other things that the previous tenants left here, and we never really actually used it. Then there's me, hi, and as soon as you walk in you have also a toilet on here. Nothing much, just a toilet, regular toilet, pretty clean, really nice. Obviously they're moving out, so they wanted to leave everything clean. And go upstairs and do this tour. You have darkness. There we go. So through this door was where we have a TV, so we had it on there, and like the sofas on here and all that. This is a huge bedroom that Ivarista got. It has like, now it's completely, you know, but it had a really nice aesthetic. It had marble and all that, but obviously you can't see that anymore. But it left the mirrors. Hello. So yeah, just a regular room, and I think after the kitchen this has to be the room where I have most memories. This is the living room. This is Jessica's bedroom as well. No, I am leaving without you. I'm not leaving without you.
boa?
Não.
Dá. Não acabou. 69.
Não tenho 69.
Ela obriga-me a fazer isso. Ela bate-me muito bem. Hoje eu tenho aqui um coisa escuro.
All nice memories. I remember Jessica used to sleep here in the first year. Versus was downstairs, now he's upstairs. And then the bed broke with Jessica. I think he was already broken by then, and then Evaristo broke it even more. And it was amazing in the summer to just have those doors open. So then we have the kitchen, which is a bit unorganized because of that part here, but that's what I'm gonna take to my house now. So yeah, this is the kitchen. A lot of things happen here, you guys. Lots of fights because we'll clean the dishes because we share all the dishes together. Lots of I'm gonna make the food today for everyone. Lots of let's play bingo and stuff like that, but also like birthday parties. For example, my birthday party, which is football themed, was on here. We had Miguel's party, which was its best friends with Evaristo, and it was here for a while, and his theme was princesses because he's like very muscly. So we thought it would be appropriate. Then we had Inês party, which was pirates. So we're not alcohol people, but like we had a really good time here. I spent Christmas here as well this year. I spent Easter, so it's a really nice space. I think it's so well furnished. And this was my cabinet, and this one as well. And then we have the oven and this, and it's crazy. It's crazy that I'm gonna leave this place, you guys. It's crazy.
Facada no olho, facada na bochecha, facada na testa, bicola ao pescoço. You're dead.
Eu sei assim.
E também porque eu só queria umas colheres, só tinha 2 colheres separadas, eu tive que comprar.
Isto é bem bom.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Feliz Navidad para todos os meus amigos e familiares! Feliz Navidad! Prospero ano e felicidade!
Depois passava 2, depois dá 1, depois para. Agora dá 2, já percebi. Ai, vai igual. Ai, é o mesmo. Era igualzinho. Meu Deus, trombou.
A cara de disappointment dela. Isto é um vídeo, amigos.
Alta farinha, meu. Uma papadeira.
Quem é que vai limpar o chão?
Quem é que vai limpar? Ai, eu não sei.
Evaristo? Ela está-se a fazer bonitinha agora, mas até agora não fez nada.
O que se passa?
Olha a gente
É
festa.
bem fake.
Não fez nada. Eu disse para de comer o bolo.
Eu não estou a comer o bolo, estou a comer as bolinhas.
Achas bem?
Acho útil.
Quieto.
Se não for. Eu vou dar a festa agora. Bora!
This is a wreck.
Anda lá. Quem diz stop? Bora. Posso ter. E capa.
Ah.
Tu.
Kiko.
Capa. E tu?
Eu não pus nada.
Marcas nada? Então não TV. Objetos. Capa. Tudo arroz não conta.
Aquilo de arroz conta.
Não conta, Nico. Não
Cama.
conta.
Não.
Aquilo de arroz não.
Quem tu puseste? Inês.
Nada!
Então pronto, tá.
Eu ganhei.
Não
O Cora não vai contar?
Não,
Vocês gozem-me.
não vai contar não.
Eu sou mesmo haters para não ganhar, para não ser maus perdedores.
Aquilo de arroz conta.
Não conta.
Não conta nada.
Aquilo é uma medida, não é um objeto.
Não, porque
Não,
se
que
tiver
é
uma embalagem...
quilograma de arroz.
1 quilo? 1 quilo. O arroz é.
Objeto,
Aquilo é
objeto.
uma medida, porra.
1 quilograma. 1 quilograma de arroz.
É uma medida. Toca lá na grama. Toca lá no quilograma.
Um grainho.
Toca no quilograma.
Mas o que tu podes fazer com um grainho? Tu podes esfoliar a carne. A pele.
Ouçam,
E daí
ouçam,
podes fazer
ouçam.
um objeto.
Ouçam. Não conta, Nicole, não conta.
Não conta.
Não
Anyways.
conta.
Evariste, this is your time to shine. Come on, man. Then up the stairs, we have some savage animals. Packing up. Oh, there's no light in this one. Guys, this is just like the tiniest bedroom ever. So it's like, you kidding me? You kidding me? So this is the tiniest bedroom ever. It was Jessica's room, that's why she moved downstairs. And then it was Inesh's room. Yeah, so she came, we didn't know she was coming. So there was a vacant room and we put her on here, and then she moved in next door. So yeah, not a very good bedroom, but I mean,
It looked cozy.
it looked cozy. Now it's just like a space for like stuff cramped up. I don't even have memories on there. Like I don't have videos of that. And then this was my bedroom. That is now their bedroom. This is Inês and this is Alex. And they used to live with me last year. Yeah. And I remember having that chair with the same ball that I showed you guys downstairs. And then this is like the best wardrobe ever. Look at this shit. Look at this. It's ginormous. Ginormous. And yeah, they put this mirror up now because it looks nicer that way. But I do miss this desk as well. They're packing up now. This is my last time here. And I'm sure you guys have seen like a lot of videos that I've made on here. So yeah, you have an idea of how it was before. But this is how it looks now. I didn't have the snowflakes, but I do love those little curtains thingies. Hi, I'm about to do some restoration on old furniture. So all you need is old furniture and a Sharpie. Okay, so first of all, you have to use the Sharpie on the whole furniture. So basically, you have the whole furniture with all these scratches you see, all of these. So basically now you just fill them in with the Sharpie. They'll end up to be a little shiny, you know, but it's fine. You'll blend in together eventually. You won't, but you can hope so. then we have the other bedroom that was Alex's bedroom, and then Inish moved in. Let me put some light on here. Okay, so this is like, it looks smaller than the other one, but I don't think it is.
The bedroom occupation is getting really confused with your explanation.
Why?
This was Alex's room and then Ines moved in, but Ines was there and now they're there. Okay, that's all.
Thank you. Okay, so it has like the same wardrobe, which is amazing, but I don't know, I like the disposition more of like the other one. So I kept the other one, and this has carpet as well. But yeah, this was Alex's. And then Ines was on here as well. And that's me in the mirror. In the mirror. This is the bath. There we go. If I wreck it, I don't have to pay deposit either way, so. So you have a bathtub and the mirror and like a tiny bathroom. But yeah, this is the only one that has a shower, so we used to fight over it. No, not true. But we had another one downstairs, like the bathroom, but no one uses it anyway. So this was like the only thing we had pretty much. So yeah, it's pretty sad that we're moving, but at the same time it's life. Like we say in Portugal, it's life. And we just gotta move forward. And I've already moved out, so it's just sad to see it going, because I moved here, I was here for a year. They've been here for 2 years, so it's different for them. But yeah, it's pretty crazy, pretty exciting. Now I'm visualizing, like, if I had my tank on this bedroom and my hamster, where would I put them? And now I realize, like, I needed that bedroom, the bedroom that I have now, because I couldn't put them on here. So I'm okay. I prefer to have my hamster and tank than have a big wardrobe, I guess. Like a good mother I am. But it's pretty fine. It's pretty okay. And I hope I could find some nice clips to put on here of my memories in this house, so you can have like a homely feel about it. Do you guys have any last words?
Bye. I'll miss this place.
Will you though?
I will. I will.
You will.
I will.
2 years. It's
Yeah.
a lot of memories.
So yeah, they're moving out to Portugal tomorrow, so lots of feels for everyone, and I'm gonna be alone for a month, which is amazing.
Just 1 month.
Just 1 month.
Just 1 month.
It goes
Fast.
quick. But yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!